Hi guys, my name's Avi Dixit. I play for the Singapore national men's cricket team. Coffee is a huge business in the world. You can see on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you go that everyone's posting about it. And definitely this course is one that's going to help you understand more about coffee and learn how to actually make coffee. So with a field that's growing this fast, I think it's really important to get to know about coffee, and that's what this course really does for you. So this training has been incredible. It's very hands-on, the staff are incredible, and it's just been an awesome experience getting to learn how to make coffee, the different elements of coffee, what tastes can you find in coffee, and all these different aspects.
Hi, my name is Benjamin Gerard Jose Byrne. I'm the Smiling Afro. I came here thinking a barista was just like somebody who's into coffee or knows how to make coffee, but actually it's more than that. It's really about the whole business. So what I really like about the course is the fact that it was so in-depth into explaining everything about not just coffee, but the whole business, setting up your own cafe or your own place next time. I was very impressed because I wasn't expecting anything. I just wanted to take it as it is right today, but I learned so much than I expected to learn, so I'm very happy to have come today. I'm definitely going to recommend this course to all my friends and family and people who love coffee. Definitely this is a great introduction into really in-depth knowledge of coffee.